Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Snap, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what Snap Inc. is and its business model. Research the company's financial health by reviewing their earnings reports and key metrics. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage that offers access to stock trading. Complete the account registration process by providing necessary personal and financial information. Fund your brokerage account by linking a bank account or transferring funds. Once your account is funded, log in to your brokerage platform. Search for Snap Inc. using its ticker symbol, SNAP. Review the stock's current price, market trends, and historical performance. Consider setting a budget for how much you want to invest in Snap. Evaluate the potential risks and rewards associated with investing in the stock. Decide on the number of shares you wish to purchase. Place an order to buy Snap shares through your brokerage platform. You can choose between a market order, which buys at the current price, or a limit order, which sets a price you are willing to pay. Confirm the details of your order before submitting it. Once your order is executed, review your investment portfolio to see your Snap shares. Stay updated on Snap's performance by following news, analyst updates, and financial reports. Consider implementing a strategy for monitoring and adjusting your investment over time. Regularly reassess your investment goals and Snap's place within your portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.